How to fix Snapchat green screen problem on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just go and open the settings of your phone, and then you will go directly to apps or applications. You will find now all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search just for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat guys, just open it like this and go to storage, open it and go to clear data, click OK and go back and go to first app and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.